Okay, hello guys. So I'm super excited. We are gradually coming to the end of the first phase of this video. Why I said it's the first phase is because I will continue to add more contents to this course. I'll continue to add more. I have a lot of things I want to add, so I'm just thinking if I should divide the course or what. So I'll continue to add more contents to the course. So you might log in and see that more courses have been added. So I'll continue to add more contents as I see the need and also the value. And one other thing, please guys, do not share my content. Do not share my video. Do not do that. You are not helping us. You understand what I'm saying? So you might wake up and realize that I've pulled down the video. Seriously, yes, I've pulled down the video. You might wake up. Why? If I observe that the content is being shared, I will pull it down. I will pull it down and then host it on another site. And then that will require you have a username and a password, and your username and password will be tracked. So for those of you who have bought my courses before, you know that once your username and password is tracked for sharing the content, you won't have access to it. It's theft. It's theft. That's the truth. It's theft. That's stealing. So please, if you have someone you want to help, tell the person to buy the course. I don't have any intention of increasing the price for now. All right. There are people who pre-ordered it as well, so I don't have any intention of increasing the price for now. So as we go on and I see more value, I will add to the course. A lot of value, I will just add it to the course at no extra cost. You understand? So the goal is for me to see 10 millionaires raised this year. That is the goal. All right. So what I want to teach us right now is how to build a sales page from the scratch. I know that the most important thing you've learned how to do your Facebook ad is how to build a sales page, and also a little recap. You know how to get here right now, right? You know how to get here. So to build a sales page, you simply come to what? Pages. Here you come to pages and then you click on what? Add new. All right. So here now, this is all pages. These are all pages that I've built, ads and also a follow up. All right. So if you come here, all you need to do is you click on what? Add new. All right. That's come to all pages. You click on what? Add new. Once you click on add new, it will open. Remember, once it opens, all you need to do is to what? Click here and add what? Title. Let me say practical. I want to do practical. All right. Practical. So I want to teach us something. So practical. Once you do that, the next thing you do is to what? You come here and click what? Publish. You come here and click what? Publish. So if you click publish, it will come out again. You make sure you click out what? Publish, and it will publish. Once it publish, look at here. It has a page published, view page what? Published. Now listen carefully. This published page is what you will use to run your Facebook what? Advert. That is what the URL you will put. It is also here, as you can see. If you copy this here, if you copy this and then you go, let me open a document. Let me open a document and then paste it. You can see that this now is your URL. This URL is what you will use for your Facebook advertisement. That is what you impute, where you have option for imputing your website URL. This is it. So this right now, this right here now, this, listen carefully, this, because some of you might not get it initially, this here is your website. All right, digicreator.com.ng, that is your website. Now this is a subdomain. This is the sub website that you have built. So for each time you build a website, for each time you build a sales page, all right, for each time you build a sales page, if your let me say, if your website is let's say something like let's say HTTP. So this video is going to be lengthy, so watch this video. It will help you a lot. All right, this is your website now. Let's say practical.com.ng. This is your website. You understand? This is your domain. This is your domain name. This is your domain name. Is your website. Is your site. Is your domain name. So each time you create a page, such as this, it is added to this domain. It is added to this domain here. It is added to this domain. What am I clicking? It is added to this domain. A slash is added. Now remember what we tagged it was what? Practical. Hold on guys, let me off something. Hello guys, sorry, so I had to mute my notification. So we've created, this is the source page we created now, practical. So this is our domain name. This is our domain name. What is all this? This is our domain name. This is our domain name down to this .ng. So when you add this practical, all right, this practical, all right, you see, that is now the site. That is now the sales page what site. That is now the sales page site. That is what you will now use to run your Facebook what advert. Remember what we installed Pixel, our Pixel on this https://digicreator.com.ng. That is where you installed your Pixel. Because this Pixel is your domain name, anything attached to this your domain name, it will track it. That is why I always install on the website itself and not on the sales pages. Do you understand what I'm saying? Good. So let's go back. All right. So we have published. All right. We have published, and then I said you copy. Just copy your URL, your site URL. I'll also tell you another way to do it. Copy your site URL, and then once you do it, you come here and then launch Thrive Architect. Remember, you have published. You say practical is now live. As you can see, it is now what live. Now, if I copy this, now let me copy it again and then paste. Let me paste it on. Here. Now, nothing will show here. It will be blank because we have not started building it. So this is the front page. This right here is the front page. As we now start to build, I will be refreshing. You will see that this is the front end. Remember what I told you about the front end and the back end when we installed through our control panel. This is the front end. Now right here now is your back end. So whatever you are building will now be showing to people here. So we'll go back right now and then we'll click on what launch Thrive Architect. Now when we launch Thrive Architect, we are going to use pre-built what templates. You are not going to start from the scratch. You can build from the scratch. Oh, there is nothing wrong with it. You can build from the scratch. There is nothing wrong with it. But always use pre-built templates. Understand? That way, those pre-built templates can give you what you need. All you need to do is to simply what drag and what drop. As you can see, this is the normal page. You can build from the scratch. This is pre-built template. So click on this pre-built landing page where you have a whole lot of landing pages. As you can see, you have a smart landing page and legacy landing page. So if you add this together, we have about 377. So there is no way you can't find something out of this 377. So all you need to do is to scroll down. Take your time. You don't need to be in a hurry. Take your time, all right? Take your time. Search, and get what you want. So for the purpose of this course, I'm just going to click one and use it and do this tutorial, all right? So search. When you search, you will see something expand here. Look at, in each one of them, they have what? Expand. Okay, if I click on my icon, it goes off. You can see expand, right? You can see expand. That is good. If you click this expand, it will open up. It is showing you that this landing page has 7 pages. Sorry, it has 7 pages. Now this one here has 13 pages. So each one of them, like this one now, has 21 pages. So when you click on expand, you will be able to see the whole 21 pages, and then you can be able to what? Choose. So this is for smart landing page. You can also go to legacy landing page to check out landing pages you can use. So this is the landing page I used in building one of my courses. All right, I think yes, this is the landing page I used in building the sales page. So all I need to do now, this consultancy page, I'll click on what? Expand. So I click on expand. As you can see, it has opened up. So you can now search on this and look at the one that you want. All right. So let's say that this is the one I want. This one here is the one I want. You can also, if you don't want to go, you go back here and close. Okay, close. All right. So if you close it, let me I just closed it. Okay, let me import landing page. No. Okay, no, hold on guys. Okay, so I close it. I'll go here, change template. I'll go here, change template. Let me go to preview. So this is what I was looking for. I was here, I say expand. So once you click expand, this is not where to click to close. This is you go back to library, go back to library. So if you click go back to library, it will also bring you to this interface. So you can explore. This is the legacy landing page. You can just what? Explore. You can explore. You can explore, all right? You can explore and then choose. So you can explore. There are so many. Just take your time. You can see this one has 205 landing page. This one has smart landing page 172. So as you can see, you have click journalist, one page site. You can just explore. You will see something that you can use. You click on expand depending on the page you want to use. I hope you understand, guys. We shouldn't be novice at this time. All right. So if you allow them to open up, you click expand, you will see something that you like. Here it has 18 pages. This one has 4 pages. All right. So let me go to smart landing page. I'm going to smart landing page right now. And then you come down. You come down. I want to use this for tutorial. You can also use this. All right. Now, there's something I want to tell us. Don't make this mistake of it is when you want to create a page. You want to create a page. That is when you will start developing your content. That's very bad. Write your contents down. Keep it. And then when you now get a sales page you want, you can begin to impute them. So this is just this. If I expand this, you can see this. You can see. This is lovely. You can use anyone you want. You can use anyone you want. There is no magic. Every content creator does this. Nobody goes to coding now. I'm going back to library. Then let me, for the purpose of this class, let me click expand. So I just want to do this so that we will know. So let me use something short. Let me use this. So once I click on this, as you can see, it has ticked and apply template has appeared. So I'll click on apply template. So once I click on apply template, it will import. Sorry guys, it will import this template that I have clicked now. All right, it will import it. So let me allow it to load. So this may take a little time. Just allow it. So as you can see, it is coming up. It is loading. So as this is loading, remember our front end. This is our front end though. I will refresh it. You will see that what we are doing will start making what sense. I know that the initial video I did, most of you might not really understand, but this is just the rough sketch. All right. So let's go back. It has loaded. So I'll click on what? Save here. If you don't save, it won't appear. So let me click on what? Save work. Always make sure you what? Save. So once it is saved, it will show up here that it has saved. It says unable to complete action, error. So I need to save it. I need to make sure it is saved. If not, it will not come up. So most times when this error appears, it's as a result of network. You understand? So I will allow it to appear. Let me just pause and allow it to load. It's saving. So let me allow it. Okay, so I've refreshed it again. Let me save it again and see. Let me save it. I just hope it comes up right now. Network is really bad. So as you can see, it has saved. All right, all changes saved. Now let us go to our front end. You see this practical now. Let me come here and refresh it. You will see that the imported template will come in. You can see the imported template. Guys, can you see the magic? Can you see the magic? So you will now start building. As you're building at the back end, it is showing on the front end. You see? So here now you can put in the title of your whatever it is. Like, let me come back here. This is the back end. So I can say, let me edit. It's just like Microsoft also. But first of all, let me explain all this side. You see this panel? Let me click on this panel. You can use this to block. Here is for text. You need to import text. You will drag. I will show us that. You need to add image. You drag it. It's a drag and drop. Guys, it's a drag and drop. There's no two ways about it. It's a drag and drop stuff. It's not difficult. Columns, button. You want to add content box. You want to add templates and symbols, logo. You want to put your Twitter icon, countdown, evergreen countdown. You understand? all these stuffs, I'm going to show us the ones that we need. Mostly what we need is video, testimonials, pictures, button, image, text, and whatever again, divider. So that is that's just the most you need. All right. And I'm also going to show us how to import, as I'm done, I will import this stuff and we will have access to it. I will import it. What do I mean? You can just upload it directly. You can just upload, as I uploaded this template, you can upload it and then edit. So let me not confuse us. Let us proceed. So here, these are button options. These are the main options. You can increase the font size. As you can see, as I'm dragging, you can increase it. All right, font size, you understand? Then color, you can change the text color. All right, you can change the text color, whichever colors you can see, you can change the text color, but I'm not going to change it. I will allow it to be the way it is. All right, so let me cancel. Here, you cancel. Then hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I had to mute more notifications. So if I close this, I'll show us, this is here, this button is for layout and position. I'll show us how to use, if we want to drag up, we want to drag down, I'll show us how to use this. Background style, if you want to change the background color here, if you want to change this background, you can change it. So at your leisure, you just, play around it, cancel, I'm not doing that. All right, so you have to be very careful the template you are using. Make sure you build something beautiful. This border and corners, I don't really use that. The things I use is just main option, layout, background style. So let us proceed. Here is just like your normal Microsoft Word. You can embed a link. All right, you can embed a link. If maybe you want to say click, you can embed a link here. Change the position of the text. If I highlight here now, highlight it, I can change it to the here now. Left is already on left. Here center, here right, here you normalize it. You understand what I'm saying? You can also give it heading. It's on heading 1. You can change to heading 2. You can see. So it's just like your normal Microsoft Word. I'll leave it in heading 1. Now if you want to underline, you underline. If you want to bold, you see, you can bold in. If you want to italicize, you can italicize. If you want to stroke it, you can stroke it. So guys, it's relatively simple. So I'm going to show us how to go about. Let me proceed right now. Here that the title is, I'll say discover how I sell off my products using Facebook, right? Facebook ad marketing. So like I said before, you don't just come here and then you begin to think of, no, coin it first. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete it. Let me remove these ones. All right. So as you can see now, let me also remove this. It's going to make sense, guys. Just follow me. Okay. Discover how I sell off my products. Let me say how I sell off my digital products. I'm just saying digital products using Facebook ad marketing. All right, Facebook ad marketing. Now I can decide to bolden this. You understand? I can decide to bolden it. All right, highlight and then I'll go here. I bolden it. All right. I can decide to centralize it. Now if I centralize it, let me come to this option. I come down now to this size. I want to decrease the size. All right. So once you do that, you now come here. Always make sure you save. I now save. Save. So once it saves, I will go to our front end. It has saved. As its contact, our change is saved. Let me go to our front end. This is our front end, right? Let me refresh. Sorry guys. As you can see, discover how I sell off my digital products using Facebook ad marketing. As you can see, guys, it's making sense. Then let me go back. Now, as you are also building, please come down to this side here now. Come down to this side, guys. You can see here that you have 3 layouts. You have the computer, which is what we are working on. You have the tablet mode and you have the phone mode. Most people who are going to click your advert will be watching it via their mobile phones. So once you are also building, you come here and click on the mobile view and see how it is on mobile, as you can see. So if it is not good, let me bring this up. You see how it is on mobile. So if it is not good, you can always what? Rearrange it. All right, you can come here, highlight. So far it's on mobile, highlight, and then come over to this option. Remember this option, I clicked on it. There's a drop down. You can come here and then what? Decrease it, and then what? Decrease it, and then what? Decrease it. So let's look at it. Why is this one showing up? All right, let's look at it. As you can see, you decrease it and then you what? Save. Now, as you can see, this thing is not making too much sense. So what do? I highlight it. I highlight it. Let me remove this. Okay. Don't know why it keeps on showing up. I have highlighted. Let me come here. Come to position, click on position, and then you see where I'm hovering my mouse. I want to bring it up a little bit. All right. Then I come here. I now want to bring it up a little bit. All right. I click on what? Save. Click on what? Save. Then I come back to the phone mode. That's the laptop mode. I click on laptop mode. Just look at how it is on the laptop. As you can see how it is. So you can just build. First of all, I'm just showing us you can build. After building everything, you can now view on mobile phone. Or while you build, you show on mobile phone. So this is the picture right now. All right. So I want to replace this picture with mine. So all I need to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, go over to options. Click on it. Go over to options. Click these options. You will see replace image. Click on replace image. Now, if you have files uploaded here, you will see what? Files. But if you don't have files, all you need to do is to what? Click on upload what? Files. Click on upload files. Then click on what? Select file. It will take you to your computer or your phone. All right. And then let me go to my files and then look for something and then put. All right. Look for something and put. You also put your picture. All right. You also put your picture. So let me look for picture and put. Let me put this picture. I've clicked on this picture. I click on open. Once I click on open, it will load up. So after it loads up here, it will show over here. All right. So once it loads up, if it doesn't show over here, just click on it. You can see it has marked, and then you can see it has shown here. Click on insert post. Once you click on insert post, the picture, all right, the picture, you can see the picture is now here. So if you don't want to put the picture, you can simply delete. So if you hover your mouse here, you will see 3 signs here. We see here 1. This is delete. All right. This is to duplicate it. You understand? This is to save. This is to move it up or move it what? Down. So let me say I want to delete. I click on what? Delete. As you can see, it has deleted. Let me come over here. You want to undo. There's an arrow here. You can see undo. Click on it. It will come back. So let me what? Save. Let me save. So this is how to do it, guys. This is how to do it. There is no 2 ways about. There's no magic. I think you can see it has saved. Let me go over to the front end. Remember, this guy's picture was here. So let me just refresh. Let me refresh. You will see that my picture will now be what? Showing. As you can see, guys, my picture is now showing. As you can see it, right? My picture is now what? Showing. So let us go back. Now, this button, I want to remove this button. I don't like it here. So all I need to do is to hover my mouse. I told us before, you can see the delete button here. All right. This one here. Click on it. It will delete. And then I click on what? Save. So all you need to do is just to be what? Creative. Guys, you just need to be creative. That's all. So you scroll down. Now, these templates, they are already there to show you what to write. So as like here now, it says your name, which is you need to input your name. So I can put my name. Let me put my name. I can say Ezibe. Chidi. I'm known as what? Digi Creator. I put what? Digi Creator. Alright? You save. Always save. Save. I don't know why all these buttons are blocking up here. They were not like this before. Whenever you're doing tutorial, one thing or the other will start happening. Alright? So let's wait for it to what? Save. Let's wait for it to what? Save. It is saving. So make sure it saves. If it doesn't save or shows network error, just refresh here. So it has saved. Now I want to remove this stuff. I don't need it. That's where creativity comes in. Hover your mouse, it will show the options. Hover your mouse, then come over, hover your mouse, come over. Take it easy, just hover your mouse, come here. I'm deleting it. Come here, delete this one, then hover your mouse, come here. Sometimes if you hover, it will go out. Hover your mouse, then gently come up, and you see here, delete. Then this journal list, I don't need it. I'll delete. This column, let me see if I can delete this. No, I need that bar. I undo here, and then click on what? Save work. I click on what? Save work. So as you are working, you also be viewing the mobile view. All right, you also be viewing the mobile view. I will show us the preview is to show you how it will appear at the front end. This preview here. All right, this preview here. So let me click on the mobile view. Click on mobile view. I'm clicking on mobile view. All right, this is the mobile view. As you can see how it is. All right, so you can see discover how I sell off my digital products using Facebook ad marketing. You can see now. Always work on the laptop mode or phone or desktop mode before you view. So I'm coming back here. Now look at how this, like here now, it said test. All you need to do is to put your mouse. You can delete. Just here, delete, and then write your own. One of the easiest ways to sell online is via Facebook. Make sure your sentences are okay via Facebook and Google Ads. I have been able to decode the secrets and how to target the right audience for any product. All right, so I'm just trying to write something for any product. All right, so let me remove this copy. So you click on what? Save. You click on what? Save. You click on what? Save. So you can come down. You say, what will you get during this service? Now it is telling us, it's asking us, what are we going to get during this course? Now what you need to do here now is simply to write about the course. All right, you can duplicate this. Let me say let me duplicate. Let me come here, put your mouse. You will see a cursor here. Click on it. If you click on it, it's supposed to duplicate. Click on it. All right, I'm trying to duplicate this. Don't know why it's not duplicating. So click on this. Okay, it has duplicated. All right, so remember where I clicked on this double sign. This double sign, it duplicated. So I want to drag it down. So I want to drag it down. Hold this cursor. Hold this that is like plus. Drag it. It's now showing me. Look at what it will show me. It says above content box. It's showing me above content box, above icon, below test. So I want it to be below test. As you can see it, guys, below test. I drop it there. I now what? Save. I now what? Save. So I want to first of all talk about this course generally before I talk about the benefit. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that's why I duplicated this. So you can now talk blah 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 blah. You understand? You write about what you want. All right, that's why I say you should have your content. So this is where you now write your content. This is where you now write your content. Write, let me say, write about your content here. You understand what I'm saying, guys? Write about your product here. Comprehensive sales copy, good sales copy. Write about your product. Write about your product here. Write about your product. You simply write about your product here. All right. So you can bolden it. You can bold it, highlight, bold. If you want to increase the font, just come to options here. These options, click on options, and then you come here, you bolden. All right, you bolden. If you want to put it in center, you put in center here. If you want to put it at the right, you put it at the right. If you want to put it at the left, put it at the left. Whichever one you like. All right. So you what? You save. You save your work. You understand? So right here now, this, you can just caption this anything. You understand? You can just say, why do you feel running ads is difficult? You're trying to engage. You understand? It's difficult. I'm deleting this. Now you begin to talk. Let me save. I'm going to download this as an exported file. You will see it. Now I'm checking the time, 31 minutes. Now, why do you feel running ads is difficult? You can now come here and begin to write about the products. Write about the products, you know, good content. Then here now, what does this course offer? You say unable to complete action, that it is not saved. So you make sure it saves. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So let us proceed. What will you get during this course? You can say what you will get in this course. In this course. Now, you can also save by pressing Ctrl S. Ctrl S, it will save. What will you get in this course? Now you begin to outline the benefits of this course and not the features of the course. The benefits. What people will get. People want to know about the benefits. If you're advertising for a car and you say that this car has 0.01 HP and can alternate at a speed of 2 meters per blah blah blah, someone who doesn't know all those things will just be looking at you. But if you can say that this car can take you to so place within 20 minutes, you're making sense. That is the benefit. The person will get to where he or she wants on time. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, guys. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So you write about the benefits. You write about the benefits here. Write about the benefits, all right? You can talk about the cost, blah, 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 blah here. Then you write about the benefits. Now, all these are bulletins that you can use. What is the benefit? One, you can say maybe how to, you will learn, you will learn how to run dynamic ads, for example. All right, that is the benefit one, or a benefit of the course. You also outline the benefit. You understand? Complete installation of WordPress. I'm just saying, all right? So that's why I say you don't need to start composing your sales copy while you want to build. Write it down first. Then you save, all right? You save. Hold on, guys. Let me refresh this thing and save it. Okay, I just refreshed and saved, all right? So, complete installation of WordPress. Then you continue to write. So you can duplicate this. You can duplicate it like this one now. I'll hold your mouse here. You come here, all right? Come here, duplicate. As you can see, you have another copy. You come here, hold it. You will see, you click, you duplicate. So you can see that this is very close to this. You put your mouse here, bring it down a little bit, all right? And then Ctrl S, you save. Press Ctrl S, it will what? Save, all right? Then you come here. While it is saving, you can't edit. You may not edit anything. So you come here, it has saved, all right? You come here, you duplicate. Put your mouse here, bring it down. You also what? Save. So you are outlining your benefits. You are outlining your what benefits. So if your benefits is 10, you duplicate this into 10, all right? and then put your benefits. Then you can still write 1 or 2 here. So if you don't, you can still write 1 or 2 here. You understand? You can still write 1 or 2 here. You can write. You understand? Then you can put pictures. So if you have pictures and testimonials, you can say, maybe, let's say here, you come and say, below, because people like social proof, below are some of my students' testimonial, some of my students or my customers, students' testimonials. All right? Boom. Let's come. Then let me save. Then let me delete this. I'm going to delete this and then drag in picture, and also show you how to put what is it called, video. So I'll come here, I'll delete this. I don't need this. All right. So what I'll now do is I'll come here, this element, we are going to use it now. Click on it. Once you click on it, then I want to drag content box. See content box, I'll drag content box, drag it. You say below test, I'll drop it below test. Now I'll go back here, I'll click on it and then drag image inside the content box. I'll drag image inside the content box. So this will appear. All right. Remember how we uploaded image. Then this image that will be screenshots of your students' testimonials. You just upload. I've shown us how to do that. Just get the screenshots, upload, and then insert. Upload and insert. As you can see, the picture is there. But this picture is one-sided. All right. So what are we going to do? You put it at the center. How will you do that? You come back to this main options. Click on it for the drop downs to disappear. Come to layout and position. Click on layout and position. Then come to this place. I see alignment and put it on what? Center. And then click on what? Save. And click on what? Save. You see that the picture will appear at the center. All right. So why this has saved? All right. Why this has saved? Let us go to the front end and see what we are doing. If you refresh this front end right now, if you refresh this front end, I'm trying to rush because of time. You see, come down. You see all these things are displaying beautifully. So these are the benefits. What do you feel? Why do you feel running ads is difficult? You're writing what you get in this course. You're writing blah blah blah, and then below are some testimonials of my students. You understand? This is wrong testimonials. Then this here should be screenshots, right? As you can see, beautiful, right? Then you come back here. If you want to enlarge this, if you put your cursor here, you can see this line. Drag it up. The picture will increase. Drag it down. Drag it up. Drag it down. Drag it up. All right. You save. While you are saving, guys, remember what I said. Always look at it from the phone mode. All right. These are various responsive modes. Look at the phone mode and look at how it comes out. This is good. This is good, right? Now let's go back to the desktop mode. Click desktop mode here. Then you want to add video. You want to add video testimonial. Before you add video, the first thing you need to do is to upload your video to your YouTube channel and host it as an unlisted content. Because if you upload your video directly here, you're giving your site load. It will make the site to take time, to lag. So host your video on YouTube or on Vimeo. All right, whichever one of them. So I'm going back to this here, to this element. I'll click on it, and then I'll go down. I'll go down. I'll see. You see video. Drag video. Come here. This is where I want to put it. I'll put it here. Then once you do it, come to this main options. Click on main options. You will see this URL. It's asking me to post my URL. Here is where you can change where you hosted it. If you click here, is it on YouTube? Is it on Vimeo? Is it on Vistia? Externally hosted video or uploaded video. So always host on what? YouTube. So I'm going to YouTube right now to copy one of my content. Okay, this video is done. All right. So this video I was uploading it, so I'll put it on unlisted. Unlisted, you don't want people to see it. Only people who have access to your course. So I'm going to save. I was uploading this video. All right, I was uploading this video before now. So once you upload, I'll show you how to do that, or you just go to YouTube and search how to upload my videos on YouTube. It's very easy. So I'll click copy link. All right, close this. So this is my YouTube channel. All right, this is my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. So I've uploaded these videos. So all I need to do is to come here. Like I said before, if you're hosting a course, please make sure you put it on unlisted. All right, unlisted, not public. Public, everyone will see it. Unlisted, only the people who have access to your course will see it. All right. So all you need to do, come there, come to your YouTube channel, come here, you click on it, get shareable link, copy it, come back, and then paste it. All right, paste it. Ctrl V, paste it. All right. Once you paste it, guys, you come here and click on what? Save. That is the only time the video will pop up. If you don't save, the video will not pop up. So if I save now, it say how to get OTP using phone number. As you can see, it is now hosted on my site. It is now there. So I will save again. All right, I will save again. I will save again. Guys, just please take time, watch this. I know it's getting lengthy, but take time. All right, this is just it. Now go to responsive mode, phone mode. I'm clicking on phone mode. This is how it is. You can see beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so let me go over here. All right, I'll show us something. Now, the space between here and here is too much. You want to bring this guy up a little bit. You click here, then come to layout and position. Click on layout and position. Come here, drag it up a little bit, drag it. See, I'm dragging it. I'll save. All right, then I want to move it to the right. I'll come here, this side, and drag it and move it. I want to move to the left, I drag it. I want to move it from down, I drag it up. So take time, play around all these stuffs. As you can see, it has what? Saved. Then you also go to mobile mode. View on mobile mode how it is. As you can see on mobile mode, this is how it is on mobile mode. All right, so don't worry about this blue line, this green line. It will not show in the live section. Let me show you that it will not show in the live section. So let me refresh it. Let me refresh it so you can see what we have been doing so far. As you can see, beautiful. As you can see, I told you that it will not show. All right, so this is your testimonial. Remember, you can also add text on your testimonial. This is the video. So this video is too much. You can reduce it, but on the mobile mode, it was okay. So on the mobile mode, as you can see on the mobile mode, the video is okay. You understand? So let me go back to the section here. So you can decide to add text. You want to add text below this testimonial. Just come here. All right, just come here, and then just come and click on it. You will see text. All right, here you see text. Look at it here, text. Drag it below box. You can see you have, then you can write it. You can write something. Emeka testifying about the FALAP course. About the FALAP course. All right, that is just it, guy. So you remove, delete this, enter text. All right, let me go back a little bit. Okay, so that's it, guys. So you can decide to bolding this. If you want to bolding, you can decide to put it in the center, anyhow you want. Then you feel that this text is far from here, you can come here, put it here. Remember where we went to our layout and position. Click on layout and then draw the text over a little bit. Right, then this one, you can decide to bring this one down a little bit. Come here, bring this one down, bring it down, bring it down. All right, and then you save. All right, so we have added video, we have added a, what is it called? We have added video, we have added a picture, we have added testimonial. So whichever one you don't want, you remove it, you just delete. Then how do you add button? Maybe you want to add buy now, all those stuff. I can come here, I want to add the buy now button here. All right, I want to add the buy now button here. All I need to do is you also come here, and then look for button. Look for, this is button. You drag it, put it where you want to. All right. So I don't think it went where I want it to go to. Okay. Let me come back. Let me drag button, drag it below test. That's where I want it to be. As you can see, button. Now I've dragged it. I dragged it. Let me delete it and drag again. Come here, click here, look at the button, drag it below test. As you can see, the below test is showing. You leave it, it will come to below test. Now you don't want the style of this button. You don't want the style of this button, right? You don't want the style of this button. All you need to do is to do what? Go over to this place. You will see template button. Click on it. You will see various templates. Whichever one you want to use. So let's say I want to use this one. I'll click on it. All right. So if you click on it, you come here. You come back to this place. You've clicked on it. It has come here. You come back here. Drop your cursor and then change the text. Maybe you want to say buy course now. Buy course now or order now. Whichever one. You understand? Then you do what? You save. You do what? You save. All right. Now, you know that this buy course is leading them to somewhere. All right. Maybe you want them to come to your WhatsApp or something. You can embed your WhatsApp link here. You understand? You can embed your WhatsApp link. How do you do that? I will show you. I'll show you. All you need to do is, you see this button, click it here. Click it. It will open up this side. You will see target URL. Target URL. Click on this target URL here. Delete this hash. Then put the link you want. If it is the link to your sales, to your store where you want them to pay, you can put the link there. If it is to your WhatsApp, you can put the link to your WhatsApp. If you don't want to put a button, you want them to contact you directly on WhatsApp, you can put write it, contact me on WhatsApp, and put your WhatsApp number. Because the goal is to drive leads and also to make what sell. So if it's WhatsApp, you can just go to war.create. You can just go to war.create. This. All right, go to this site. create.war.link. Go to this site, create.war.link, and create a customized message. Just once you click on this website, come down. Here, input your number. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. Here, input your phone number. So it will start with +234. Then start with the rest of your number. You know this. You can say maybe, hi DG Creator. Hi DG. This is what you want people when they come to your DM. This is what you want. Hi DG Creator. Hi DG Creator. I want to purchase your FALAP course. Please, if you're getting value, please, your testimonial, I would like your testimonial, all right? If you're getting value for this course. Hi, DG Creator, I want to purchase. So I'm making so much typographical error here. I want to purchase your FALAP course. So once you do that, you click on what? Generate link. Gong. You click on generate link. It will generate link for you. Come down here, copy the link, go back to your this stuff and paste it here. Paste it here. And then it is saving. All right, then you click on what? Save. You click on what? Save. So if you don't want to put button, you can also paste that link. Click this link to chat me on WhatsApp or whatever. So if I go to the front page right now, the practical front page, why is this stuff appearing? Okay, this is the if I go to practical, let me refresh this. You will see the button right now. Let me see the button. You see the button? If I click on it now, I've clicked on it. You see. So anybody who clicks on, hi DG Creator, I want to purchase your FALAP course. Anybody who clicks on this, boom, the person will come to my WhatsApp. So far the person has WhatsApp installed on his phone or on his desktop. Do you understand what I'm saying? That is also, you can put your call to action, because this is call to action. It's very, very important. So you can put call to action here. You can also come and put call to action, but don't use it and design the whole stuff. So if you don't like all this stuff, you just come here. You see here, delete. Delete. You see here, delete. You see here, delete. If you don't need them, you see this column, you delete. And then this stuff, you can replace it the same way. Come here, drag and drop. Before you drag and drop, you first of all delete this, then drag and drop another one, save, drag and drop another one. So guys, I don't know if I'm missing anything, but just take your time, play around it. You understand? Play around. This video is 15 minutes already. Play around it. That is how to to create a sales page, a customized sales page. So you view it on your desktop. You see, you have created your sales page, and you paste the link as I told you on your Facebook ad, and then run your Facebook ad. So you can also come here. You want to replace this man here. You want to replace this man. You can delete it. If you want to put your own picture, you put your own picture. If you don't want your picture, you usually come here and do what? Delete it. But I'm not going to delete it. I'll leave it as a template for you. If you want, you can delete. Now, I want to give you this template that I have designed now. Let me delete this video. All right. Let me delete this video. Let me tell you to insert video here. Video. I'm dragging it here. I'm dropping it below test. All right. So I'm saving. So you can insert your own video here. I'm deleting my videos for my course. Or let me go to my YouTube channel and get any video. All right, let me get any video. I hope I'm not wasting time. Let me get any public video. Okay. Let me get this. Get a shareable link. All right. Let me get it and paste it here. And then save. All right, and save. Okay. You can replace it. All you need to do is to click on the video. I'll show you right now. This is 52 minutes already. Wow. So if you want to reduce, you come here, like I said before, reduce, drag up, reduce, whichever one. I've saved this. So if you want to replace it, if you want to replace this video, all you need to do is to click on the video. Click on the video and come to the option. If you click on the video here, you come to these options and then impute another URL and then save. This video will be replaced. Now, you have done all this. Please watch this video over and over again. This is how to build your website. You can delete this if you want to. You can delete it. Just hover your mouse, come here, you delete, but I'm not going to delete. So I want to give you this template right now. I want to give you this template so that you can be able to import it and then use it. You can also change this background picture. So all you need to do is to come to setting. Let me import this. Let me export this. Come to setting. My mouse is hanging right now. Come to setting. I think so. Yes. So I want to give you this template. I'll come to settings here. I'll write export landing page. I'll click export landing page. I'm now naming it practical template. Practical Thrive. Maybe you want people to promote your course. You can give them this to run their site. You understand? Let me click on download. And then it will download this file. So this file now, I will give it to you. I'll give you this file. So let me allow it to download. As you can see, it says landing page exported successfully. It is downloading here. So if you now want to, once it downloads, I want it to, before I can proceed, I want to make sure it's downloaded. Okay, so I'm going back to home page. I'm going back to my home page right now. I'm going back to my home page. All right, so as you can see, this is okay, let me refresh this. Okay, this is the practical. This is it. I want to delete it. If you want to delete a page, just click on it and then what? Trash. I'm deleting everything I built. Trash. So I want to upload this file now I've given you. This is how you are going to upload it. So I'm going to pages. Okay, pages. I say add new. Click on add new. Click on add new. All right, so let me add the title, uploaded drive, uploaded/drive. Right, I click on what? Publish. Click on what? Publish again. It will go live. It has published live. So what do I do next? I'll just click on what? Launch Drive Architect. So once I launch Drive Architect, I want to upload this file. This file right now, I want to upload this file. I'm hovering my mouse that I've exported, which I will give to you. You can use it as also a template. Maybe when I say, so when you hear someone say, I've given you a template to work on, swipes and templates, sales page swipes and templates, that is how to do it. So you can say, okay, cancel this, cancel it. Then what do? You come to this place, come to this setting. Remember, I cancelled it. Come to this setting, come to setting. You've launched Drive Architect, come to setting. Click on import landing page. So I've clicked on it. Import a landing page will overwrite say yes. Then what do? You go to where this file is and upload it. Select file and upload. So I'm going to drag it. I'm just going to drag and then drop it here. It will upload. Right? It will upload. So that is how, if I say I'm giving you swipes and templates for you to use and develop a sales page, that is what it is. So this video is getting to almost 1 hour now, guys. But please watch this course. Watch it. That's how you can get value. So it has uploaded. Next thing is what? Click on what? Import. So it's going to import this template. It's going to import this template now. So I'm going to make this available below this video. As you're watching it, I'm going to make it available. So I will also make more sales page templates available. As you can see, it's coming up. So all you need to do is now to edit. So you can tell someone to, there are people who use this as business. They just develop swipes and templates and sell. As you can see, it is now here. As you can see. So all you need to do is to begin to what? Edit. So if you upload this now, you also see it in your own. So far you have Drive Architect installed. So I hope you get value in this course. This is already 58 minutes. So I hope you get value. And please remember to give me my testimonials as you get value. And do not share the content. So I will drop this Drive template under this video. I will drop it for you to what? Download automatically. Thank you, guys.